Hi everyone, this is a video about this Samsung portable SSD T7, and this is a 2 TB version, and it's really handy to have something in your pocket to take it wherever you want it to be. And then it operates on Windows, Mac and Android. You can use this with your mobile phone and everything else. And then it has a 3-year limited warranty and compatibility. You can read it. Support for PCs, phones and other devices. Samsung portable SSD software is compatible with Windows 7 and higher, and the Mac OS 10.10 and higher, Android 5.1, Lollipop and higher, and so on. And then here, the box, what is in the box is portable SSD T7 and USB 3.2 and USB Type-C to A and the USB-C to C cable. Cable supports USB 3.2 generation 2, 10 gigabyte bits per second, and quick start guide, warranty and a statement. And at the back is nothing readable really. And on here we have the directions, and the performance is up to 1050 megabits per second read speed and 1000 megabits per second write speed, which is really impressive, supported by USB 3.2 generation 2, 10 gigabits per second, using the PCIe NVMe interface, portability and reliability, password protection, 256-bit hardware encryption, durable metal body, optimized for drop resistance up to 2 meters. So you can just, chuck this anywhere that you want, that I do not recommend that. Anyway, so let me just get everything out of the box and we are going to talk more. Let me see if I can do it in front of the camera, if it doesn't take any more time than necessary. So we have a box within a box. So I put this aside, and then we have this. It opens like this. And here is the item itself. It's very small, and this one I opted for, without the fingerprint security, because I am perfectly secure at my home. So this is how it looks like. You have a Type-C and Gen 2 Type-C there, and these are all the specifications, 2 terabyte, and at the back it just says the Samsung portable SSD. I have to tell you, there are loads of videos out there that they are testing it, but this video is just for unboxing, just to show you what it comes in the box, and what to expect from Samsung when you are purchasing something. Is everything. Oh, another box within a box. So I put this aside as well, and in here I just want to show you what it comes in the box and the specification in short. Nothing else in here. So we have a paper here, and with the warranty and everything, and just a short. I think this one is more like warranty statements rather than anything else. This is the specification in detail if you want. And in here is all about warranty, nothing else, because I guess it has the online user manual that you can go and read it. I mainly purchased this to use it with my mobile phones, and you know, all those people that they know me, they know that I am very fond of Samsung Notes, and I'm using my Note to the full capacity, so I want it to be also my computer. So this is USB to USB. This is very kind of Samsung that is providing the cables, and these are very thick, high quality cables that if you lose this, it's very hard to find something genuine as this, because the cable is very important how you transfer your data. And this is the USB micro type C to 3.2, and the thickness is more or less the same as the type C to type C. Anyway, this is just a video just to show you the content and a specification of this item and the price. Price of this varies from 120 to 160. There are some crazy sellers. They are selling this for 200 and sometimes over 200. But the sensible price for this is up to £150. Anyway, I fully recommend this. I have checked this with my Samsung Note and functions flawlessly, and you know, I also use it with my smart TV and my laptop and so many other stuff that I have at home that requires having a SSD or hard disk drive and so on. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time. OCD attack. Again, OCD attack. Yeah, a little bit out here and there.